This video is going to help you with the electromagnet investigation. So you've got a steel nail that was set up and it had a coil of wire going around it. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or however many turns you had. And that was the input variable in the first investigation because you were changing the number of coils. The outcome variable was the number of staples that were picked up by the electromagnet. So as you change the number of coils, the input variable, the outcome variable of the number of staples changed. What you didn't change was the current, the number of amps of electricity that was going round the electromagnet. In the second experiment, the number of coils of wire was kept the same, but in the second experiment, the number of amps were changed from 1 to 2 and so forth. So that was the input variable. The number of pins picked up was still the outcome variable.